up some. Back up. No, other way. Get away from me.
No.
Yes. Get over there. Go, hey. Go stand right next to Mom.
What? No, don't come over here. No, not behind me. Not behind. Get him. Daddy, this is all on video just so you're... Oh, no! Oh. Did any of that get you, Abby? Behind me. Hey, Abby.
Oh.
Stinker.
Hey, you want to scooch? I'll leave you behind you now.
Yeah, I can't imagine why.
Okay.
One of those went down my shirt.